Hello, today we will guide you through how to customize the ribbon in New Outlook. Customizing the ribbon lets you put your most used email actions right where you need them so you can work faster and keep your workspace tidy. We'll walk through how to open the customization options and what to adjust once you're there, all within the New Outlook experience. Start by opening Outlook and going to your inbox. Being in the main mail view ensures you're looking at the standard toolbar across the top, which is the ribbon area you'll be adjusting. Give the page a moment to load so all controls appear. Next, look toward the top of the window for the View option. It sits on the main command bar alongside Common Actions. If your window is narrow, Outlook may compress some options, so make sure the app is full screen or that you're zoomed to a comfortable level where you can clearly see the controls. Click View to reveal view-related controls. On that same top bar, you'll also see an icon with 3 dots, sometimes labeled More Options. This button is there to hold additional commands that don't fit on the main ribbon, and it's the gateway to deeper customization. Select the 3 dots to open the expanded menu, then choose Customize. This opens the ribbon customization panel where you can tailor what appears on your toolbar. You're not changing any email content here, only the tools you see and how they're arranged, so feel free to experiment. Inside the customization panel, review the available commands and tabs. You can show or hide items you don't use often, keep essential actions front and center, and reorder items so the flow matches how you work. Consider placing everyday actions like composing a new message, replying, forwarding, archiving, moving messages, or categorizing near the left side where your cursor often starts. If your workflow relies on filtering, reading pane options, or message organization features, make sure those are visible. As you make changes, Outlook typically updates the ribbon immediately, so you can see how your choices look in real time. A few tips for a clean setup. Avoid crowding the ribbon with rarely used tools. A lean layout is easier to scan. Group related actions together to reduce searching. If something you rely on disappears, return to the same Customize option and turn it back on. If you don't initially see View or the 3 dots, widen the window or adjust your zoom until they appear. When you're satisfied, simply close the panel. Your preferences are saved automatically, and your streamlined ribbon is ready to use. That's it. Your new Outlook ribbon is now tailored to your workflow.